British Daily Telegraph newspaper has published a transcript of 54 minutes of communications between the crew and air traffic control leading up to the moment the plane disappeared from civilian radar. And it highlights some anomalies in the text that stand out as unusual. Analysts are studying a message from the cockpit at 1:07 a.m. saying the plane was flying at 35,000 feet. Exactly the same message had been given by the crew 6 minutes earlier. Flight experts say the repetition was unnecessary and unusual. Later, the plane lost communications and turned away from its planned course during the handover from air traffic controllers in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia to Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. The paper quotes analysts as saying there would have been some dead time between handover, and this is the only time during the flight that it wouldn't have been visible to air traffic controllers and would have been able to change course undetected. The Telegraph says this adds to the likelihood that the plane's disappearance was a deliberate act and increased suspicion on the pilots who would have known about the dead time. The article speculates that if the pilots were involved, they were very careful to hide their intentions.